Cause here, this is some bullshit. This is some fucking bullshit, people. I'm trying to fucking sleep. This is not cool. People smell like that, they know better. They fucking know better. And they fucking know they should get their own room. I'm not naming names as to who the fuck is doing all this noise. But this is some bullshit.
It's really not all that bad.
This is fucking horrific.
She just can't sleep.
Shut the fuck up. Shh. It's fucking horrible. Bullshit. Total fucking bullshit. Total bullshit. Total fail. Not cool. Not cool. Party foul. Floor.
You're a real chap, baby. You're a real chap.
The fucking spider walk, she's fucking stabbed herself with the crucifix.
That's not for
No.
No, but it just
Creepy like
your
that.
voice.
And instead of her stabbing herself.
Oh shit.
Give me a line that they say in The Exorcist. That she says.
You should know, not The Exorcist. You should do They're Coming to Get You, Barbara. Try that. They're coming to get you, Barbara.
Wait.
Do it.
Where's Fluffy?
Not that one.
Mommy, where's Fluffy? Get you, Barbara. They're coming to
Damn.
Got this. She was like 2. That's all. I mean, I only have 2 bits for the love.
That was pretty fucked up.
Something just got stuffed in my ass.
There's nothing there. I checked.
Something just got in my ass. Where are my lines?
So you paid for 151 a Coke when you have it upstairs.
Yeah, basically.
Feature Friday night doing a show here.
He is going to be kicked off of the 5 Awesome Drunks because that is not awesome at all. He just got back from getting 151, forgot the Coke, and because he's a lazy fuck, he goes to the bar and paid how much?
$7.
$7 for 151 a Coke when it's up in our room right now.
I didn't want to go all the way up to the fucking room, so I paid $7 so I didn't have to fucking walk. Is that okay?
So as I said, he's a lazy fuck, and a lazy drunk is not good.
Lazy? Well, I'm not lazy. I am physically challenged. No, wait.
Yeah, it's called fat. He's fat is what he is, okay? Thanks.
I'm not going to sit on this.
We'll always have the 10th floor.
Oh, do you want me to say that? We'll always have the 10th floor.
No, long joke, like inside joke kind of thing.
DJ Khaled, we the best!
Oh my god! Yeah! Work it! Remix! Yeah!
Watch out, J-Lo. I'm on the lawnmower. That's all I got.
Hey, you got it then! Yeah! Woo! Do it again! Ow! Roll Tide! Y'all are too funny. Work it, baby.
That are half blitz to the fucking wind.
Dude, all I hear is cackling everywhere. It's like I turn the camera on, I'm like,
We do random fucking videos. We got a fucking mattress flipped upside down, with ash juice leaking. Ace fucking wheezing.
Oh shit, dude. All I hear is like
Clockwork spitting out hateful rhymes, man.
Making enemies on YouTube.
Making enemies on YouTube. We got the creepy exorcist girl.
Linda Blair. Win.
Jabbing herself with the fucking crucifix. Ace is fucking losing it.
I wonder if she has really long hair down there.
What?
Linda Blair.
She has really long hair down there.
Tarzan swings for that shit.
Jed, me, you, Jed. Go off to a great big void in the sky.
He sounds like fucking Yoda now. Wow.
Tongue toes.
Follow Tarzan, you will.
Yes.